Those are all sea urchin quills. Hailey just passed out with her hand in the chip bag.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere.
Determined.
Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Dad got stuck with a sea urchin and it was painful.
Got his first sea urchins.
Sucks because I didn't step down.
Aloha from Hawaii.
Digging my heel
I was not.
with needles, sewing
Barely
needle,
touching
and
it.
started.
We went to Turtle Bay. We went snorkeling. We went snorkeling. No, you didn't. I went snorkeling. Snorkeling.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back. It's another beautiful weekend here on the island of Oahu. And we decided, because the ocean on the North Shore was a little crazy, we decided to head to Turtle Bay again. Main reasons why: Alex and Hailey really just wanted to swim and relax. Alex didn't want to necessarily go surfing a little bit. She just wanted to swim. And you might think, why not go to the pool? Well, the pool is actually freezing cold. Believe it or not, it's legitimately it's cold water therapy. We went with our friends. We went down to Turtle Bay, and I swear the Turtle Bay, I didn't really enjoy last time we went last summer. It kind of was, I guess I had too high of expectations. It's really not the best snorkeling on the island at all. But I think when you lower your expectations, and the only expectation we had that day was to just go and swim, then magic seems to happen. And Turtle Bay really delivered the past 2 weekends. The water was incredibly clear. We got to see turtles, a lot of fish. There's tide pools for the girls to fool around on. It's a nice, beautiful beach. And the ocean you're protected, which is something during the winter here, because the ocean usually has the last say whether or not you're getting in it.
Snorkeling about my belly. Yes, she's feeling good. How old are you?
For the sky, don't let me down. Don't let me down. For the sky, don't let me down.
Excited because I thought I saw a stonefish, and then afterward I realized that it wasn't a stonefish. I guess it's related to the stonefish, but we don't have the same poisonous stonefish that is common to, I think, Fiji. Oh, that is amazing. Oh my god. Little hermit crab? Yeah.
A hermit?
A while earlier I saw the fishy that was this size.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't went snorkeling.
I saw it on the edge. So this man was looking for some crabs, and he saw a crab, but it wasn't a real crab. It was just a crab skin, and he touched it and it wasn't moving, so he just grabbed it and gave it to me. A crab dead.
Let me see it.
This is a picture. Why it's not moving? Because it's not a real crab. It looks like a real crab, but it's not. It's a shark.
Enjoyed Turtle Bay. It was really relaxing. And then just because, you know, trying to pack everything in, it was such a gorgeous day. And after such terrible weather, November and December, mostly December, that was a rough month. Such nice weather, wanted to capitalize on it, and so I can be a little determined. In our family. You gotta have one in the family. All right, so we just left Turtle Bay. Thought about surfing there, but instead we're gonna let the girls eat, kind of chillax a little bit. We're gonna head to Haleiwa. The waves are supposed to be perfect. We're passing Pipeline right now. And I feel like there's so much to do here on the island, and there's so little time. There's just not enough weekends to pull this off. There's so much to do. We need to come down here and we need to watch the pros on Pipeline.
Hailey just passed out with her hand in the chip bag. She's a snorer. Takes after mom.
Whatever. The waves were really good. They looked really good. They were perfect. The hardest part about it is between the wind and the current, because the current was coming from a completely different direction that day. Alex was really struggling to get out there. Paddling out there was a big struggle. And the more that I was paying attention, you can really tell we're very experienced, especially for different surf spots. Pretty much the semi-pros, they were pretty much catching the rip current back out and using the ocean to their benefit. They were hardly paddling and they were just flying out there. Whereas John and Alex were just getting beat, just trying to paddle out there for their first wave.
She's getting good at reading waves, because when I would think, oh, okay, here's a big wave, it's about to be white water for her to catch, she'll be like, oh no. Like, she's getting good at reading. So like, I don't know if she wants to catch a wave or not, and then I'll even call out a wave and she'll be like, no, it's gonna die out. I'm like,
What do you say?
trying to get on the board, but your feet kind of end up underneath the board. I only felt the urchin, sea urchin, but I thought it was
A rock.
coral.
Yeah.
I thought it was like the seabed, like the coral or rock or something.
You stepped on a sea urchin.
Yep.
Let's see it. Let's see this foot.
You can see them still. There's a bunch of them in there.
Oh. I see it. Yeah. Do you want me to pull it out?
When I was starting to paddle back up for another wave, I kind of like, I should probably just check real quick, see how bad it is, since, the waves it was between sets. So I lift up my leg, look back, see if there was any blood or anything, and I didn't see blood, but I saw a bunch of black dots, and I'm like, ah, crap.
Do you want to just pull it out right here, or you want to just head home?
I don't know. We'll see what damage is. Those are all sea urchin quills.
Yeah, I see
All
a
those
lot
black
of them.
dots.
We're going to have to pull all those
I
out.
know.
And hours to get the quills
Oh my
out
God,
of his
it
foot.
took forever.
We pretty much just destroyed his foot to get those quills out. It was bad.
Because it was a tiny quill, so like, or sorry, it was a tiny sea urchin. So like the quills were tiny.
And it wasn't something that the tweezers really wanted to grab hold of. There was no friction. And so the tweezers would just kind of
push it back, push it further in.
Yeah.
Just bring it up here.
Yeah. Put it like right here for me.
I was expecting it to like
Sting or kind of like a poison.
Yeah, kind of like some kind of poison or something that would make it hurt more or like itch or I don't know what I expected. It sucked, but
Looks like Swiss cheese.
Pretty much.
even touched the bottom. And I still managed to get hit by it. So it's like, what are the odds of that? And it still happened.
Yeah.
And it sucked. When I was gonna probably surf a little bit longer, catch some more waves and stuff.
Yeah. Because the girls were having fun on the beach, even though they had just, spent the whole day on the beach.
Really, I got lucky where I got hit too, because
Yeah.
when I went to PT, like, I mean, what, 2 days later?
Yeah.
I had to do a 10-mile run.
Yep.
And, I mean, luckily I didn't feel it.
Mahalo from Urchin!
Thank you guys for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. If you've made it this far, give me a thumbs up. And mahalo for watching. We'll see you guys next week.